Let's have a look on the Follow the Twin Challenge. Open Industry Alliance has been highly involved in orchestrating, in supporting, and also bringing it here to Hannover Trade Fair as one of the key topics that we are dealing with, asset administration shell. It was big fun setting up the project. There have been so many member companies involved. And in the end, we have an implementation. Of course, it's a fair trade gamification approach that doesn't seem too sophisticated on the high level, but the deeper you get, you will receive many insights.
Follow the Twin Challenge is a great opportunity for us to get in contact with people that are coming from other booths, from other vendors, because asset administration shell is all about interoperability and getting different companies together working as a unity.
We as Citasa are a proud member of the OI4, and we like the pre-competitive manner of the OI4, making projects together and exploring the potentials of different technologies like the asset administration shell. As a software engineering company, we believe in interoperability and their use cases, and that's why we are a member of the Follow the Twin Challenge. Not only to really see the interoperability between different hardware components, but also between different softwares.
Als aktives Mitglied ist es natürlich uns wichtig, auch einen Beitrag zu leisten. Deswegen haben wir bei uns auf dem Stand hier einen Durchflusssensor mit einem digitalen Zwilling, den wir natürlich zur Verfügung stellen. Uns ist wichtig, dass wir mit unseren Kunden hier in den Austausch gehen, darüber sprechen, Ansätze mit aufnehmen und das Gemeinsame, was wir in der OI4 natürlich tragen, dass wir das mit zum Ausdruck bringen.
It's interesting to see all the different participants. Different companies show that they are operating in between each other. Move from these proof of concepts towards the real business use cases. And this is what I think is shown here, that this is way faster and way better already than we have been with other topics in former times.
So we're in the process of rolling out asset administration shells for all our products. And we have like more than 60,000 products in our catalog. So it's a huge variety of products. And we have the commitment from our board. They see asset administration shell is the technology for digital twins to give our expertise, our digital information about our components to our customers and to generate benefits for them. In order to make this happen, we need some interoperable standard, and we're defining this standard in the IDTA association, together with many partners from the entire industry, where we make really sure that this is leveraging and everybody can use the digital twins.
Ja, warum ist uns der gemeinschaftliche Ansatz in der OI4 so wichtig? Wir als Amazon brauchen da das Rad nicht neu erfinden. Wir nutzen das Wissen aller Teilnehmer, arbeiten gemeinsam zusammen und nutzen die Standards, die vorhanden sind, um alles voranzubringen in der OI4. Deswegen ist uns der gemeinschaftliche Ansatz so wichtig, weil wir hier an Lösungen für unsere Kunden arbeiten.
What we wished for all these years ago with Industry 4.0, that businesses are growing together, is now with this data standardization kind of getting more reality.
Interoperability has been realized on this challenge. Super important to Open Industry Alliance. That's what we are working on. 30 companies participated in the challenge, 30 different shells. So basically the challenge wouldn't be here today if our members would not work on the topic of a digital twin platform in their daily business anyway. And to make it happen, that it can be implemented.
Last year we had only TwinSphere as one repository. Now this year we have 2 repositories, so we showcase interoperability of digital twins based on the asset administration cell.
So that is just a way to transport the message, how important it is to deal with standardized digital twins, to deal with interoperability, to gain interest, because we want to spread that topic. So there's a deep message behind, but it was big fun organizing it.